Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to trace this teddy bear and get it all black. And what the problem they're having to trace it and then they fill it in with black and all the detail goes away. This is super easy. Just think about a couple of things. For the one I'm doing it for, look how big the bounding box is. And if we look at under wireframe, there's nothing there. It's just a big bounding box. So with it selected, I'm going to get the crop tool and I'm going to crop it. I just think it helps Corel not waste time trying to get rid of all that white. Now, regardless of what size you're going to make it, I'm going to reduce it in size. And so it's a little over 2 inches. I've got my nudge factor set on 3. Let's go ahead and bring our yellow background into the picture. And we're going to take this clip art and we're going to trace it. Nothing special. Outline trace clip art. Does it really quick because it's a really good file. Now you have that with a white background. So there's 2 things you could do. Let's make a copy of it. There's 2 things you could do to get rid of the white. You can go up here and go to object and group it and ungroup it. And then you can select all the black and nudge it out of the way and then get every piece of black that you need. I think I actually got some white in there. We can delete it in a second. But this isn't what they want. This is what they're doing or something close to it. But then when they fill it in, I did get a little bit of white there. So let's delete that. When you fill this in, I don't care what color you fill it in with, it's going to go past the lines and be nothing. Well, look at the teddy bear we left. Just take it, select it, and make it black. There's what they want. Well, that's what I think they're wanting. It's still got the detail, and it's all black. Now, the other way I was going to show you to do it, let's move these out of the way, is you can ungroup this. And let's get this out of the way so it won't be white. And you can go and see, you can see I've got white selected. If there was a lot of white, what I would do, go to edit, find and replace. I'm selected on that white, as you can see. I'm going to go from selection, find all, and then I'm going to group it, Control G. And the reason I do it, because then I can check off of it and check back on it. And there's our white, all the white. So instead of moving those black pieces over, we just took the white. And then, of course, you could make the bear any color you want. I know they're engraving it from what they said. That would be pretty spectacular because everything in yellow is going to be the wood. I think his little deal in his head maybe lost a little detail, but, you know, it's pretty good. You know, you could change that, you could alter that, you know, smooth this out, you know, put a little more curl to it, bring that up there. You could do whatever you want it, you know, because it's going to be yours now and you're going to be doing it. Of course, I'm making it worse. You probably don't want a sharp point right there. So you can always delete that node and take this node and bring it up. Anyway, I hope that made a little sense and thank you for watching.